In this video, we will learn about subtraction. Subtraction means taking away or removing. Let's say I have 5 apples. I ate 2 apples. And after eating, we only have 3 apples left. When I ate the apples, I'm subtracting away 2 of the apples. So subtracting is just taking away or removing some amount. Okay, let's try to write this in a math sentence. We'll start again. At first, we have 5 apples. So we write 5. I ate 2 of the apples, and when I eat the apples, I remove them. So we must write minus 2. Then after eating, we are left with 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. This is the math sentence for subtraction. This shows 5 minus 2 equals 3. This is the minus sign for subtraction. Let's try another example. Here are 6 cars. Two of them drove away. Because 2 of them are gone, we need to subtract 2. So we write minus 2. Finally, we have 4 cars left. So our answer is 4. So our math sentence is 6 minus 2 equals 4. Here shows 8 footballs. So we write 8. Three of them are kicked away. So we write minus 3. Finally, we're left with 5 balls. So the math sentence is 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's learn to subtract with our fingers. There are 2 ways to subtract with our fingers. But first, let's learn to subtract for numbers 10 and below. For numbers 10 and below, here are the steps. First, show the bigger number in your hands. Then, count up to the smaller number, closing 1 finger each time. Finally, the answer is the number of fingers shown in your hands. So how do we do 10 minus 4? So let's learn how to subtract with our fingers. First, show the bigger number in your hands. In 10 minus 4, 10 is the bigger number. So we'll show 10 in our hands. And now count up to the smaller number. So we have to count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is the number of fingers shown, which is 6. How about 8 minus 5? Next we have 8 minus 5. So again, we'll show the bigger number in our hands. 8 is bigger, so we'll show 8. And now we'll count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 fingers left. So the answer is 3. What is 5 minus 0? Actually, any number minus 0 is just itself. Subtracting 0 means you didn't remove anything from 5. So the answer is still 5. In primary school mathematics, we can only have bigger numbers minus smaller numbers. This is because you cannot remove a big number from a small number. Imagine I have only 2 apples, and you ask 10 apples from me. I just don't have enough apples to give. At this level, you will see that we write bigger numbers minus smaller numbers. We're not done yet. Stick around for part 2 of subtraction.